Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you guys how to do this rainbow cut crease eye makeup. First I'm taking this green from Coastal Scents and just applying that in the inner crease of the eye. And this look was inspired by James Charles and OMG on Instagram, so shout out to them because their makeup is always slaying. And then I'm taking this dark blue from the Dare to Create palette by Morphe and just placing that into the center of the eye. And then taking the purple from Coastal Scents and placing that on the outer corner and kind of like making it go up in a way so we could do the cut crease. Make sure both sides are even and also blend the top of it. I'm just using like a clean brush to blend it out. And I'm just taking some concealer and cutting the crease. You can cut it as high as you want, but I'm just doing it right where my crease is. And then I'm just going back in with the colors and touching up and make sure they are nice and pigmented. And I'm just taking like a white eyeshadow and placing it over the concealer to set it. Now I'm taking the yellow from the Colourpop Yes Please Palette, placing that in the bottom inner corner. Then taking this orange from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk, and then taking the red from the Burn Book by Storybook and placing that on the outer corner and blending everything in. And I'm taking this yellow gold shade and placing them in the corner just to brighten things up. And taking some mascara and doing my bottom lashes. And then taking a nude eyeliner from Rimmel and just lining the bottom waterline. And then the lashes I'm wearing is the Selena lashes by Bombshell Cosmetica. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, bye guys.